Hello everyone and welcome back to the Winter Wonderland YouTube Hop and the winner announcement. First of all, I'd just like to say a big thank you to Debbie and Kim for hosting the hop and for inviting me to take part. It was the first time I've ever participated in one and had so much fun. A big thank you also goes out to all of you who took time to watch all of the videos, commented and subscribed to all the participants' channels. So many beautiful projects featured, so like me, I hope you found plenty of inspiration. And just to let you know, I'll also be taking part in a Valentine's YouTube Hop. I'll have a save the date video going up tomorrow, but I'll be taking part on the 23rd and the 30th of January. There'll be plenty of project shares, more giveaways, so if you weren't lucky this time, don't forget to participate in that as well. So be sure to look out for the details of that hop tomorrow and you'll find out which other amazing crafters will be taking part. So to come back to the Winter Wonderland hop, I'd just like to remind you that I done full tutorials for both of the projects that I featured. If you'd like to recreate something similar, please go ahead and check them out. I'll leave links to the tutorials in the description box below. To find my winner, I used the comments from the second project that's being shown now, and I went to commentpicker.com, and the winner that was selected was Gigi Jordan for her comment, simply just gorgeous. So yeah, well done Gigi. Please get in touch with me. I'll leave my email in the description below. The prize that you've won is a £20 Amazon gift card, and you have 72 hours from now to claim it, otherwise it will go to somebody else, so please don't hesitate to get in touch with me. For everyone that didn't win with me, please go and check out all the other participants in the hop, as you may have won something with them. If you didn't win anything this time, please don't forget the Valentine's YouTube hop where you may win there. So I'll leave a screenshot of the winner being selected at the end of this video, but once more just to say thank you so much everyone for commenting on the videos, taking your time to watch them, and for everyone that subscribed recently to the channel and all my existing subscribers. Take care guys, bye bye.